welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video, part of my 14 days of love. This look that I did for you today is a more natural, wearable Valentine's Day makeup. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys, and you could probably see it by the look on my face. I hate this look so much. So I had some difficulty this morning. It's not a makeup day apparently, because this is the second time that I did this makeup. Just couldn't get the face to look the way that I wanted it to. I do though kind of like the way that the eyes came out. So I'm hoping by posting this for you guys, you can see that not everything is perfect, and that, you know, sometimes it takes a second try and sometimes we have bad days. So hope you guys find some inspiration in this look, and if you recreate it, hopefully 100 times better than I made it or did it, then please make sure to tag me. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi! Okay, so we're starting off with my Yensa Essential Glow Primer and then my Cover FX Blurring Primer. As I said in the beginning of the video, guys, it just wasn't a makeup day for me. This was the second time I was doing my foundation, so yeah. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. I'm mixing two of them together to get my perfect shade. And then I'm going to apply some concealer. Well, first I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender. You can also see that the foundation really wasn't sticking to my nose either, and that happened with both foundations. And you guys, the foundation I used before and this one I love, so it was just very weird. And I tried switching the primers. It was just a weird day. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal and highlight all the areas of my face. I'm setting everything with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And then I'm going to continue to set it. I want to make sure this is really nice and set. I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I actually really love the way that this bronzer came out. I'm doing that all over my face. And then I'm using my MAC blush in Warm Soul. I did use a tiny bit of a Maybelline blush just to kind of deepen it up because it was a little blotchy, but I didn't show it on camera just for sake of time. I want you guys to get this look quick. I use the Becca highlighter in, I believe, Moonstone, and then I'm jumping into the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. This was kind of like my idea. I just wanted to go with a color in the crease, but I don't know. We just like didn't go along with just that. We added some more to it. I deepened it up with the darkest shade all the way at the end, and I added that to the inner corners and also lined the lash line and kind of buffed it out a little bit so it was kind of like a smoky lash line. I did later on go back and add in some of the more berry color to the crease of the eye, just to kind of match the lip, which you'll see in a bit. I'm adding some Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte, and then I'm popping on these beautiful new lashes from Huda, and I believe her name is Jacqueline. I'm so bad. Please, someone correct me. For the lips, I use Soar Lip Pencil from MAC and the Merit lipstick, and this is the final look.
Guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you have an awesome, amazing Valentine's Day. Make sure to tag me in all of your Valentine's Day looks. I would love to see them. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen, and also check out all the rest of my videos here on the side. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon.